Hello, my sweet friends. So today is a Jaclyn Hill Roxanne unboxing and first impression. I want to make it clear that this is an first impression. This is not a haul. I bought 2 pieces from the new collection. Last time I only bought 1, and I just wanted to get my first impression with you. They were absolutely stunning online, so I'm hoping in person they're even more beautiful. I ended up buying 2 rings. I ended up with the Outstanding ring and the Naughty ring. I just couldn't pick between the 2, so I ended up, my husband generously bought me both and was so sweet to him to treat me to both of the rings. They were right around $100 for both. I just love collecting and adding to my collection, and I love these pieces. I feel like they're just like mid-range. They're definitely not cheap, but they're not expensive as well, and they are gorgeous. Online, I have been looking at them online all week last week, waiting for them to launch on the 26th, I believe, and they are already here, and today is the 31st. So I think the shipping was incredibly fast, and I am super impressed. So if you are new to my channel, my name is Charlie. I love doing lifestyle videos, whether that's plus size fashion, jewelry, makeup, anything that will be budget friendly and make your life a little easier. And I asked everyone in the comments if they kind of wanted to see this, and some people said yes, some people said it wasn't for them, but because I am so excited to support her in everything she does, I love buying Jaclyn's makeup, her jewelry, I thought that I would share with you my first impressions as someone who is really just a true fan of hers, and I have been for many years. I really enjoy watching her. I enjoy watching what she puts out and supporting her, and let's get started. So the very first ring I want to show you is the Naughty ring. So I ended up buying each ring in a size 8. I am usually a size 7 or 8, but because I couldn't try them on in person, I figured to size up to be safe. I ended up going with gold. I feel like gold just looks a little bit more complementary to my skin tone. I try to generally buy gold in most of my jewelry, my watches, gold, etc. I just really like gold. There's nothing wrong with silver. I love wearing silver as well, but I feel as I got a little older, I have been gravitating towards more gold jewelry. So that's what I ended up buying. I am so excited. I believe they were around, the Naughty ring was 45 and the other one was 58. But if I'm wrong, I will definitely either put it in the description or up on the screen for you. So it's the same packaging as before. I loved it before. I love the packaging. I think these would make really pretty gifts for somebody. If you want to surprise a loved one or someone that you care about. It's just that beautiful tan with the gold writing, and then it's kind of like, almost like an alligator or like a snake print on it, as you can see. Same packaging as before, just as pretty. So I'm hoping that these are as beautiful in person. I have been admiring them online, so let's just get right into it. So this is the Naughty ring, the very first one that I got. This was the first one that stood out to me. Something about it was so simplistic, but also so beautiful at the same time. And I was wondering if it was going to be a little kind of gaudy in person, but as I'm looking at it, it's absolutely stunning. So something about me, I have lived by the beach my whole entire life. I have always been at by the water. I go to the beach all summer long, and something about this, I mean, I know it's supposed to be knots, but it also reminded me of waves, and I think that's what gravitated towards this piece for me in particular. As I'm taking it out of the packaging, it's absolutely heavy and stunning and beautiful. So I'm going to try it on for you now. Oh, it fits absolutely perfect. And this finger is a little misshapen because it is my wedding, where I wear my wedding band, and I use a 7, so this finger is a little misshapen, but it actually fits really nice. So here it is on the actual finger. Super beautiful. Like I said, simplistic but stunning. There it is at that angle. I just think it looks absolutely classy on the hand. It looks expensive, and I think if you take pretty good care of it, you're going to get a long lifetime of wear with it. I love it. I have been seeing her sister wearing the jewelry, all of her friends, and I've been trying to zoom in and see what it looked like on the hands, because I'm not somebody who often buys rings. I'm more of somebody who really loves, like, earrings are kind of more like what I like to accessorize with, and I'm trying to get more into pieces that I can keep and save and have my daughter have if she would like, and this is adorable. I love it. I think it looks absolutely stunning on the hand. So I will either wear it on my ring finger, and I got it as an 8 so it could fit on my pointer as well, and I feel like it looks just as pretty on that finger. So I'm really impressed with this one. I think it looks absolutely stunning on the hand. I'm excited to show my husband. He hasn't seen them yet. I love this. I think it looks so beautiful. So this ring is the one that I was really excited and anticipating seeing. I think it looks really pretty in the packaging. So the next one I got was the Outstanding ring. I've been married 16 years as of March of this year, and he kind of brought up the idea of upgrading my ring. And I've always gone back and forth if I was going to do it, excuse me, between the emerald cut diamond or a pair with a halo. I don't know when we will do this. It's something that we've talked about for the future. But I saw this emerald and I couldn't pick between, it was just so hard between the emerald, the square, and then that big, beautiful, almost like an oval shaped diamond. I'm not sure if that's what it was, but I went with the emerald because I just wanted to see what it would look like on the finger. And in person, as I'm looking at it, it is so stunning. So here it is in the packaging. It is so shiny. Look at it gleaming off the sunlight. Absolutely beautiful. And again, I went with gold and a size 8. And let's try it on. I am so excited for this one. This one is absolutely beautiful. Again, here's the size of the band. The band is not very delicate. It's like a medium width. I don't know if you can see it real well. I prefer this. I feel like it feels a little more sturdy. I would have loved it either way, but I have been like trying to see what it looked like online, and I always feel like she zooms in on the other ones and not this one as much, but I love this. Look how stunning this looks on the finger. This is really beautiful. I love this shape, and now it's giving me, now I don't know what shape ring I would want because this is absolutely classy. It reminds me of the women from like the 1950s who used to wear the emerald cut diamonds. I feel like they're very timeless and classic looking, and I love this ring. This is absolutely stunning, you guys. And even on the index finger, it looks really pretty. I am super impressed, and if you are looking for maybe something like a little more affordable but still looks very high-end and beautiful, this would be a great gift for somebody. This would be an amazing gift for someone. Look how beautiful it looks like in the packaging. Okay, so here they are together in the packaging so you can get an idea what they both look like. These are so pretty. So definitely let me know, did any of you order any of the pieces? So I saw some necklaces that I really loved, but these were the two pieces that I kept gravitating towards and kept going back to, so I really am happy I went with them. I love my big hoop earrings that I have. I save them for special occasions. I keep them in the packaging and use them as display. I love them. So definitely let me know what you think. Do you like these? Did you get anything from the collection? Again, I sized up to an 8 and got both in gold. Look how beautiful. The shipping was so fast, less than a week. I was wondering if it was going to be a little longer because it's the second collection. It seemed like there was a couple extra pieces in it, so I wasn't sure if maybe she was going to need a little extra time to get everything shipped out, but I'm really impressed in how fast it got here. So definitely let me know what you think. If you got anything from the collection, if you're thinking about purchasing anything, I have loved everything that I've purchased from her makeup to her recommendations to her jewelry. I have loved everything. So definitely let me know what you think. Okay, you guys, so that is the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope that you liked seeing these rings as much as I did. Again, let me know if you bought anything from the collection, and we can discuss it down below. I'm super excited to see if anybody else got anything and what your thoughts and opinions were. I think next time I order something, I'm going to go through and look. I kind of want to purchase a necklace. That way I have something from each part of the collection. I have earrings, rings, and a necklace. I'm going to have to really go in and look because after I saw these two pieces, I kind of didn't look at anything else. So maybe here in the future, I will purchase a necklace or two, or maybe a different pair of earrings. So if you enjoyed this, I really would love you to stick around and subscribe. Remember, this is like a lifestyle channel, so I love to share anything that is budget friendly and makes your life a little easier, whether that's plus size fashion, things like that. So I will link all of my social media down below if you want to follow me there. You don't have to, but I would absolutely love you to. And I will see all of my beautiful friends in the next video. Bye, guys.